Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think competitive math is just about dry formulas, robotic memorization, and exhausting calculations that drain all the fun out of learning, get ready to change your mind. In this video, we step onto the court to solve a clever math kangaroo level 9-10 basketball puzzle using pure logical thinking, creativity, and a foolproof mental math strategy. Let's get right to the quiz. On the middle school basketball team, Alex plays point guard, Ben plays shooting guard, and Charlie plays small forward. They are all the same age. There are two more players in the starting lineup, David and Ethan, who are 14 and 15 years old, respectively. The average age of the starting lineup is 13. How old is Alex? A. 11. B. 12. C. 13. D. 14. E. 15. This is the brief on cracking average age math puzzles. Using the middle school basketball lineup puzzle from the courtroom calculus, we're going to learn a foolproof mental math trick to solve missing value brain teasers without getting overwhelmed. First, find the grand total age. The puzzle says 5 starting players average 13 years old. We've got to work backward, so multiply those 5 players by the 13 average for a combined total of 65. Imagine this as a shared bucket of 65 years. Now, why is working backward the absolute best first move? Well, averages totally hide the actual numbers, but grand totals give you the exact boundaries of the puzzle. Second, subtract the ages we already know. We literally just take our 65-year bucket and remove the known pieces. We know David is 14 and Ethan is 15, adding up to 29. If two guys are hogging 29 years, what happens to the rest? We just subtract their 29 from the 65-year grand total, leaving exactly 36 years. It basically becomes a fun game of process of elimination. Finally, share that remaining age equally. We've got 36 years left for the last 3 players, Alex, Ben, and Charlie. The crucial clue here is that they're the exact same age. What if the puzzle didn't explicitly say that? We'd be totally stuck. Spotting that equal share clue is the vital linchpin to finishing the math. Just divide the leftover 36 by 3, giving us 12, meaning Alex is 12 years old. The ultimate secret to mastering average puzzles is always working backward from the ground total to uncover the missing pieces.
Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.